In this video, I'm going to show you how to get clear mode on TikTok. That is new TikTok feature and it gets rid of some icons on the screen, so you kinda look video on full screen. And let me show you how to enable that. And first you need to open up your app store, enter TikTok here and check if some update is available for that app, and if it says update, so go ahead and update your TikTok app first, because that is a quite new TikTok feature. And after that, go back to TikTok, and there, in order to get clear mode, hold on the video and there select clear mode, and now you see how it looks like. Icons are moved down here and the comment section and the name of the video was disappeared, so that is basically clear mode now. And to go back to regular mode on TikTok, you need to do the same things. Just hold there and hit on exit to go back to regular mode. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.